Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our third maths lesson this week. So, this week we have been learning about length. We know now longer, shorter, the same length. That's right. Today we are continuing our learning and we will be using non-standard units to measure different objects. You need to be very careful and keep an eye out because I think I might try to trick you here. Well, before we start, like always, let's warm our brains up and remember, how do we add? Add. What does it mean, add? Can you show the addition sign? That's right, that's add, plus sign. Can you make it smaller? Well done. So now, a first challenge for you is to look at these two calculations and then can you write the number sentences and answers? Ready? Oh, just one more question. What happened with our numbers when we add? Will our answer will be bigger or smaller? Can you tell your grown-up what you think? Well done, bigger. So now grab a piece of paper and something to write with and see if you can work out what the answers are. Well done, everyone. So don't forget to share your work with us. You can take a picture and then send it to us so we can see how you got on with the addition. So, like I said before, today we are going to extend our learning and explore measuring using non-standard units. Non-standard units. What does it mean? Non-standard units. Maybe it means that it's not the same. I am going to use chocolate, but maybe you will be using pasta or pencils or crayons or socks. So it means non-standard units are not the same. So, I remember we looked at this before Christmas. Can you remember what we did? What did we use to measure our things? What did you use? Wow, well done if you remember. We used different objects to help us measure different items. So let me show you now what I mean. Today I'm going to use a yummy chocolate. So I'll use it first and then I'll eat it. So here is what I'm going to be using for my measuring. So chocolate, and my first item that I want to measure is a little birthday candle. But can you tell your grown-up, what does it mean measuring? To measure. Oh, I think I remember. Measuring is when we use different objects to show how long the item is. And as I said before, we are going to use non-standard measures. So I'll be using chocolate, and I'm curious to know what you will be using today. So my chocolates are all the same, and it will help me to find the most accurate measurement. Right, let's get on. So what do I need to do now? Oh, I think I know. I need to put my chocolate next to my candle. There you go. Okay. Oh, I think it doesn't look right. What do you think I did wrong here? What is my good mistake? Well then, if you got it right, I need to put my chocolate at the beginning of the object. So here is the beginning. I put my chocolate here. And then my next chocolate should be lined up nicely next to each other. So now I'm ready to count how many chocolates long my candle is. Let's see. 1, 2 chocolates long. Well done. Right, my next item that I would like to measure is a Trucks and Diggers book. Let's see, so where do I need to start? Well done. At the beginning of the book, at the start. And what do I need to do next? Well done. Line my chocolates up next to each other. So let's do that. There you go. There you go. There you go. How do I know how many chocolates long my book is? Well done. I need to use my careful counting skills. So, 2. Is it? I think I wasn't very careful. I think it would be a good idea to point at each chocolate while I count. Shall we do it together? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So my book is 3 chocolates long. And I think it's, do you remember? Is it longer or shorter than my candle? Longer. Well done. And my last item that I would like to measure is a paper, a green paper. Okay, so we know I need to start at the beginning here and line my chocolates nice and neat in a line. There it is, one by one. What do I do next? Carefully count them. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my green paper is 4 chocolates long. Do you think this item is the longest or the shortest from all my items? The longest. Well done. Well done, everyone. So, your challenge for today is to use different non-statement units, but make sure that they are all the same. So, for example, like the same socks, or pasta, or pens, or crayons, to measure 3 different items around the house. Don't forget to share your videos. Well done, everyone. I'm very curious to see all your amazing measuring and especially what non-standard units did you use. So, for tomorrow, we are going to be using something more interesting. But first, have you ever seen your adults measuring items around the house? What did they use? Did they use chocolate? Can you tell your grown-up, what do you think could this be? I don't think you can see there are little numbers there, and we call it a ruler. That's right. So tomorrow, let's see if you can find in your house a ruler or something else with the little numbers, so we can use it to measure different objects. So in my house, I have a ruler, and also I found, what is it? A measuring tape. That's right. And you can see those numbers are called centimeters. And tomorrow, we will use it to find a real measurement. So now, can you ask your grown-up and see if you can find a ruler, a measuring tape, or something else with centimeters, so we can use it tomorrow. Don't worry if you don't have any of these things. we will show you how to use computer to help us measure. Well, don't forget to share your work with us and have fun and stay warm as well. Bye for now.